Today I'm taking a look at these ramps that were sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get them out of the box and check them out. And these are the threshold ramps out of the box. This says flat threshold ramp. You got your manual, you got hardware, because you can mount these two together to make one big full ramp. Comes with some gloves and of course the ramps. I really like these ramps. They have these little raised holes here so you got good grip. If you needed this for, let's say, wheelchairs or dollies or anything like that, you could put these together to cover a good space. I think they are 2 foot wide each, so then you'd have a 4 foot wide threshold. What I want to do is keep them separate so that way they're easy to carry, and I can use them for wheel ramps for like a mower, things like that when I'm putting it in our shed. And as you can see, they've got this extra brace here, 2 square tubes welded in, and then they got the edges bent down. You've got nice little grab handles here. Just really nice threshold ramps. Let me try them out. And this is one of the main things that I'll be using these threshold ramps for. Of course, there is a million different ways you could use these things, but we have a lot of shipping containers at our property. It's cheap storage, rodent proof, waterproof. I mean, they're just great for storage for inexpensive price, but they're all gonna have this threshold that you're gonna have to get over. So if you're storing a rod and mower or carts or UTV, we have all of those stored in shipping containers, and they'll be able to just ride up and down this without giving you a problem getting over that lip. They're nice and sturdy, they're strong, I can stand on them, they don't even give. It's gonna be perfect for all of those things I mentioned. I really like them, I definitely think you will too, and I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.